Sewage and trash? Yeah. I'll go make sure they got your name in there correctly. I'll have them put it in as dollar long like I did here.
Yeah. So that's quick.
Yep.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay. Ang bilis lang, guys.
I mean, I'm surprised. I really expect to say, well, we need her with an ID and, you know, this, and this. And
they did not even ask my ID or anything. Ang bilis lang, guys, ng process. Kasi kailangan yung, sabi kasi ng bayaw ko, kailangan ko ilagay yung name ko sa billings. Right? At least 2 billings. So, nag-process kami, nilagay namin sa water bills and electric bills. Para yan sa immigration. Ewan ko lang. Kasi yun kasi yung sabi ng kapatid ko. Pero hindi ko alam. Mas maganda na yung
here we go, hold on.
Mas maganda na yung well-prepared tayo kaysa naman.
What?
My husband is now, I told you should learn how to speak Tagalog.
I'm trying.
I said, it's better to prepare than sorry.
Yeah.
So, if either we need these billings, you know, my name and billings when we process our papers or not, at least we're prepared.
That's right.
Because Vlad kept on telling me about it.
Well, you know that nurse at that rehab the other night, after I was telling you about?
Yeah, the Filipina?
Yeah, she says something to me in Visayan.
Bisaya?
Yeah.
What did she tell you?
And I'm like, what? She goes, oh, you don't speak Bisaya? It's like, no, I'm barely able to learn Tagalog. And she starts laughing, and she told me what she said, but I don't remember what it was.
Gutom na.
Huh?
Gutom.
You're gutom?
Gutom.
Gutom? What's that?
Hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I mean, it's 1:30. I wasn't going to plan on us eating until 8 o'clock tonight.
There's no Wendy's. Huh? Don't want me. I'm gonna starve me. There's no Wendy's here. Wendy's.
Oh, yeah, there's a Wendy's here.
I'm just hungry. I don't want to eat in the China buffet.
Oh, you don't?
It makes me, oh my!
That's where we were heading.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's go there. But I need to buy water.
Yeah.
Oh, we can go there.
We can go to the Wendy's if you want.
No, since we are going to China, let's go. China? No, not in China. China buffet. Let's go then.
Yeah, we need to get you a bottle of water.
I need to get a bottle of water because alam mo guys, ewan ko ba sensitive kasi ng panglasa ko.
We're running to Value Mart.
Pagdating sa tubig dito, lagi na lang ako broken hearted kapag nasa restaurant kami kasi ang tubig nila parang
sweetie,
hindi ko alam ba't gano'n ang lasa.
Sweetie, if you don't want to eat the buffet, we don't have to eat it.
It's cheaper there.
You sure that's where you want to eat?
Yeah, and you like that, right? So yan tayo, magka-China buffet na naman kami.
We don't have to eat here if you don't want to.
Yeah, but I want, since we are here, let's go.
I mean, Wendy's is just right over there.
Yeah, but you like it, so let's go.
But I like Wendy's too.
Oh, then we're gonna eat Wendy's now?
Is that what you would prefer? Does Wendy's have a drink you like?
They don't have water either.
Actually, I think Wendy's does have bottled water.
They don't have? They have.
I think so.
I hope so.
You want to go Wendy's?
Okay.
Which would you prefer?
Both. Make a decision too. What is you like the most today? Wendy's or China buffet?
I can eat either.
I can eat either too.
Well, which do you want? What are you more in the mood for? You said that makes you umai. Would you rather have Wendy's?
Wendy's.
I think there's a Wendy's. No, that's a Burger King.
We can spend less in Wendy's compared to the China buffet.
Actually, maybe there isn't a Wendy's. I was thinking that was Wendy's. It's Burger King.
There's no Wendy's here. China buffet. Here we go now.
You have arrived.
I hope they have the... Oh my God, coffee again.
Huh? What?
What kind of drinks? Just water. I hope they have water. Oh my God.
If they don't, we'll stop and get one. I'm pretty sure they got bottled water.
Yeah. I just need water bottle.
I like Wendy's fries.
It is. Ayan, nagka-car wash kami. $5. I mean, car wash. Dito ba?
How much time we got left, sweetie?
3 minutes.